Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. So a lot of you requested to see the tacos cooked. So that is what we're having for dinner tonight. You're going to hear the birds in the background. They live here and I love them. So these are the items that you're going to need if you don't want to purchase the HelloFresh box, but you want to make this recipe at home. You need a red onion, Roma tomatoes, lime, sour cream, ground beef, poblano pepper, cilantro, which I'm not going to use. Nope. Pineapple, taco spice blend, and flour tortillas. So everything is right here. Simple, fresh, clean ingredients. Love it so much. The hamburger is $85.15. You could use whatever you feel comfortable with, but that is what they gave me. So on the back, the first thing we have to do is wash and dry all produce, half peel and finely dice onion, core and seed the poblano pepper, then cut into 1/3 inch squares. Dice the tomatoes, roughly chop the cilantro, skipping that. Cut lime into wedges, drain pineapple. So I'm gonna show you parts of that. I'm gonna get started on that right now. Okay guys, I am not a fancy dancy, YouTuber. We're just gonna make this work. Hopefully you guys can see. Just cut the tomatoes, and luckily they're nice and firm. They don't have any mushy. You know how you get a tomato and it's nice and ripe, but not the best for cutting. Smart of them using plum tomatoes. I mean, they are the experts, right? I'm starving. Anyone else? I don't even know if I'm going to need both of these, but we'll do it. If I don't, I can always throw them in a salad. Let me see if you guys can even see what I'm doing. Oh, I think you can. Yay. Listen, I may not be using the appropriate knife. I have a little rough cut going on. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Guys, I was just at Walmart. It was a madhouse. See, like we think, can you guys see all that tomato? Like we think it's not a lot of food, guys. They give you extra. I swear they do. Throw that away. I washed everything, and then I did drain the pineapple. I drank it, and I choked. Fun fact, I choked. Yep. All right, so we're supposed to... Should have did the tomatoes first. No. Not smart. I'm trying to see if you guys can still see. Wedges. Doesn't that look good? Can you see that? Nice and fresh. Okay. Next. I've never ever used one of these peppers before. I'm sorry. I'm just going to assume I cut off the end. I'm going to like do the circle thing in there. Oh gosh, this is so bad. And try and get the seeds out. No idea if you can see me. All right. Oh, I did pretty good. Not perfect. Pretty good. That's not bad. Look at it. I'm a pro. All right. Garbage. This says corn seed, then cut into 1/3 inch squares. Oh, so this is way more pepper than we need. Okay. Noted. Ooh, smells good. Can you see me? Not really. Not really. Shoot. Let's see. See? I'm cutting. You get it. I'll show you guys in a second. This is like the prettiest color green. It's like the nicest, darkest. Guys, what's your favorite meal to cook? I would love to know. Do you have a go-to? Do you have a favorite? Oh yeah, my lights blink. Only in the kitchen. House is probably haunted by the ghost of YouTuber trolls. Is this riveting? Is anyone there? All right. There's no way I'm using all that pepper. No way. No way. Red onion. I don't think this knife's going to work for that. I need the Big Mac Daddy. Big Mac Daddy. Use my Dollar Tree block. Sharpen this baby up. All right. There we go. I don't think we need all this either. No. Pray for me. Okay. I wish I could play music. YouTube doesn't let you. And the non-copyright music isn't any good. All right. Get rid of this. Oh, I almost rubbed my eye. What a ding. Okay. Oh yeah, there's no way I would need that. This is a lot. Show you. You guys will see. She's getting aggressive. You know who doesn't think I'm funny? My daughter. I think I'm hilarious. You notice how your own kids, everyone else in real life thinks I'm funny, just not your kids. You ever notice that? You could really be funny, but like your kids think you're just a dork. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. We are not using the cilantro. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you where we're at, guys. It's quite a bit. Didn't use this, so I'll use this for something else. Doesn't that look yummy? Good. Okay, so the second step is make salsa and crema. In medium bowl, combine tomatoes, pineapple, 2 tablespoons onion, 2 tablespoons, excuse me, a 1/4 cup poblano, half the cilantro, no thank you, and a squeeze of lime. In a separate small bowl, combine sour cream with a squeeze of lime, season with salt and pepper to taste. Okay, guys, I'm not measuring all that out. That's not happening. I'm using my Dollar Tree book to hold you guys up. Okay, let's do this how I would really do it. Okay? Okay. All right. There's some onion in there. That's fine. It's all going in the same place anyway. Okay. Oh, I have to cough. No. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. So we need to put the pineapple in here. 2 tablespoons onion. Well, this is a tablespoon, so that's perfect. Squeeze a lime. I'm getting it all out of there. I'm an aggressive cook. Okay. Ooh, that lime is strong. Okay. So just mix this together. So this is our salsa, ladies and gentlemen. No. I need a 1/4 cup of poblano. Just kidding. There we go. Master chef right here. I'm going to be careful with those poblanos. You know what I'm saying? That's looking yummy and fresh. Okay, we'll put that aside. Ooh, that doesn't look very appetizing. Sour cream and the lime. You can do that after. Cook the veggies. Heat a large drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add remaining onion and poblano. Season with salt and pepper, half the taco spice. Oh, hear my stomach growling. Cook, stirring until softened, about 2 minutes. Okay, so onion, poblano, salt and pepper, and oil on it. Okay, guys, the overhead light makes a wicked shadow. My kitchen's really dark. So just remember, you have more onion and pepper. Cut it all up if you want to. I'm just not as daring as, you know, most. So I just put it in here with the olive oil. I have gas heat, so it should heat up pretty quickly. I'm just going to cook this down a little bit. Ooh, it's going to be yummy. I can feel it. Yummo. This is my Aldi pan, guys. Do you remember that from that video? If you guys have been around for a minute, I love my Aldi. Crofton, I think is the brand, right? I love their pans. It's got like that fake wood handle. Love it so much. All right, this is boring. I'll be back. They're starting to go. I'm going to put half of the taco seasoning mix in there, like it says. Ooh, that smells good, that taco seasoning. It doesn't smell like so chemically like when you get the like Ortega. It just smells like paprika. Alright guys, so we add beef to the pan, season with salt and pepper again, remaining taco spice, cook, breaking up meat into pieces until brown to cook through 2 to 3 minutes. Carefully pour out any excess grease. Stir and reserve pineapple juice. I drank the juice. I drank the juice, guys. There's no reserve. There's no reserve juice. But you guys need to do that. Put the juice in there, okay? Alright. No, the meat doesn't look like a lot coming out of the package, like if you saw the original video, which I will link at the end of this video. My unboxing of all the stuff that I got. Once you break this all up, you got yourself a nice meal. Plenty of meat. I know a lot of people that watch the videos are like, well, there's 2 of us, but we're good eaters. Like, we like to eat. So do I. So do I. I'm a thick girl, ladies and gentlemen. A thick one. I like to eat too, but I promise you, plenty enough for 2 people. And when it's just me, I have enough for dinner and lunch the next day. Okay, so I put the sour cream in the bowl. I'm putting the lime juice in. You hear our meat cooking in the background? I was just going to use it as sour cream, but I was like, no, I got to follow the recipe for the people. Plus, it'll probably be so much yummier like this. The next step says the warmed tortillas in the microwave for about 30 seconds with damp paper towels. They give you, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to get 3 tacos per person, guys. Okay, remaining taco mix going in. And the cumin's supposed to go somewhere too, but I don't know where it is. I'll find it. Don't worry. We're fine. I tell you truthfully what I would do if it was just me and me not making a video, and that's my salt and pepper from the Dollar Tree that I use. I literally do that all the time when I heat my tacos. Like the soft tacos, they get nice and warm on one side, but they stay good on the other side, and then they get the flavor from the meat. But if you're cooking, 6 tacos, you can't do this like this. But because I'm eating by myself, I could do this. And then it gets nice and, ooh, it's already done. Okay. I tried the hamburger. It's good. It's a little spicy, but it's good. I think the coldness is going to help even out that spice. If you like spice, you'll like this. If you don't, use half the packet of that taco seasoning mix. Didn't put the cumin in. Couldn't find it. I think I'm too hungry. Anyway, guys, 6 solid tacos, and we have all this yummy goodness. I'm only going to make one over here. Let's see if I can get some of that pineapple in there. Pepper. Some red onion. Come on, red onion. Where are you? Some more pineapple. Oh, so yummy. A little bit more lime juice. Oh, is it gonna work? Guys, you try filming and cooking, it's not easy. There's easily enough to fill these, pack these tacos up. All right. I gotta try, and I will be honest, I've never had these before. I've had many meals from HelloFresh. Guys, that's full. If you don't like hearing people chew, look away. Look it. That's a good size. My mouth is watering. It's like a big bite. That is phenomenal. I swear to you, I promise I would not tell you it was if it wasn't. That is so good. It's a little spicy, and then the cold from the tomatoes and the pineapple. So stinking good, guys. I'm sorry I'm making you look at my bite. Guys, you gotta order this. $20, 3 meals in the description. I'm gonna eat because I am hungry. Thanks for watching. It's been a mess. Love you so much. That's what you subscribe for.